it was feeding time, so we had to get her some food. So if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Right now, like I said, she is hungry, and she is a albino corn snake. Her name's Sally, and she is 2 years old. Had her ever since she was a hatchling. Very tame, not vicious at all. But she had to eat. And ever since she was hatched, she never liked frozen food. Always had to be live. Thanks, Sally. Say hi to everyone. Yeah, I'm recording you. Yes, you're all done here on camera, like always. She's used to being recorded, so nothing new. It's just that I never posted it.